The three tools, and this is another, I'm going to end this call. Can't believe it, Randy. We're going to end this right now. Not right this minute. I'm sure we got some more time. But the three tech tools, highest quality of leads, and this came from the NAR one. Have you seen this one?
I actually have not, so I'm very interested.
Social media, number one.
Yep, I believe that.
We can debate what this means right here. We can debate it.
Yeah, a little bit.
Number three, the brokerage. So this validates, you know, and I don't need to tell everybody who's on this call because you've already bought a lead system, so you know why. But this validates why you made the right choice, because if brokers or agents are asked the question, what are they looking for? And it's surprising how many brokerages out there that I still consult and coach with, they have not purchased a lead system. And that's why I keep pushing people to companies like yourself, because again, it's, you know, the lead system matters, but it's having a playbook, implementing, setting expectations, holding agents accountable, which makes the lead systems work the most. If you're using the lead system for recruiting, it will work. And this validates that for that point, that this is what agents are looking for, the highest quality leads.